Hello everyone. This is Jessica, and I'm excited to welcome you to another demo of OnTheJob app. Today, we'll take a look at the announcements, collaboration and rewards modules specifically designed for frontline hourly workers. I'll be logging in as Alicia Bell to walk you through today's demo. As the app opens, there is an emergency announcement waiting for my attention. Wherever there is an unread emergency announcement, OnTheJob app shows it on a priority basis before the regular landing page. I need to read it, and if there is an acknowledgement required, I need to confirm it before I proceed to use the app for other functionality. We had seen the workings of regular announcements in the previous demo. Emergency announcements are given higher priority on the display to the user. Once I acknowledge the emergency announcement, it will continue to stay on top of my homepage till it expires. Any updates the admin adds to the original emergency announcement will show up for me. The emergency announcements can be sent to specific audience profiles or a target employee group. This is a core functionality of OnTheJob app to set the audience profile for an announcement, surveys, task list, communication groups, rewards, etc. that gives great flexibility for the admins. I will take a few minutes to explain how the audience profile works on OnTheJob. The admin users can create a specific target audience using a combination of three-dimensional dataset. First one is on organizational data. This includes criteria such as legal entity, department, location, job roles, and cost centers. Second dimension is on employment data. Admins can segment audiences by employment type, pay type, tenure, and more. And the third dimension is based on personal data as applicable by law. Options for targeting include parameters like gender, age group, and additional demographics. OnTheJob can extend this audience definition to incorporate additional fields specific to each organization. For example, for Unify, we have integrated their own dimensions like customers, contracts, and divisions into this process to better meet their operational needs. If you have questions on this topic, the team will be happy to provide more details. Now let's see communication and collaboration module functionality of OnTheJob app. Over the years, this technology segment has evolved in personal as well as enterprise space. These tools have significantly improved the engagement and productivity both at personal and work levels. However, there is no great viable work collaboration tool for the organizations dealing with distributed hourly workforce. The attrition levels are high, and the effort and cost required to administer the user accounts becomes extremely prohibitive. Those employees end up using their personal accounts to communicate to get their work done. OnTheJob app solves that problem. We have built this platform grounded up focused on the hourly worker community with distributed operations. By combining new age technology and infrastructure, building data integrations, and combining it with a functionality mix, we have made OnTheJob a great value tool for all companies who operate in distributed operations across multiple industry segments. Since we were building a brand new platform, we studied the best and most useful features from the leading communication and collaboration tools that are in use, and adopted them for the hourly worker context. When I open the chat and collaboration module, I see a list of all my one-on-one conversations. On the top, I have an option to search any content in all of my conversations. In addition to one-on-one conversations, OnTheJob app provides group conversations and channels for formal announcements. For the one-on-one communication, OnTheJob has configurability to define my work community based on the organizational specific rules. For example, the applicable work community definition for Unify is at the contract level. In one-on-one chats, I can send a text message, I can send a voice note, and attach a file. The file type can be an image, audio file, or any other files like PDF, Excel, Word, or text file. OnTheJob app also has features wherein I can take a picture or record a video from my mobile camera and send it to others. To prevent misuse and maintain workplace hygiene, OnTheJob app automatically checks for any abusive content in the text updates and it flags it to the user. It will prevent them from posting it. Similarly, OnTheJob app checks for any profanity content in uploaded images, files, photos, and videos before allowing the user to post the content on OnTheJob. I can manage my conversations easily, like muting, deleting, or pinning a conversation at the top for convenience. The objective is for employees to use the OnTheJob app for all their communications instead of using their personal WhatsApp or any other messaging applications. The Groups section is for collaboration among team members. There are two kinds of communication groups: default ones that are defined based on organizational rules, and custom groups created by authorized users. The default groups are for managers and their team members. Additional default groups can be created based on the operational needs of organizations. For example, Unify needs default collaboration groups for each contract and locations. OnTheJob has set up a default group for each of their contracts and locations. Additionally, groups can be created on any other organization pillar as well, like legal entities, service lines, customer, department, job role, etc. All employees are automatically grouped under their respective collaboration groups based on their employment data. Since OnTheJob app is integrated with the organization's HRIS, any changes in their employment data will automatically move them from one group to another group. This makes the administering of these groups extremely simple, and data will also be in sync automatically. Each group has one or more admin users. The admins cannot remove or add people to the default groups as they are governed by the organizational and employment data. The managers and authorized people in the organization can create custom groups and can invite people to join that group. Just like in one-on-one chats, the users in the groups will be able to send text messages, voice notes, attach files, and send photos and videos from their camera. Abusive content checks and profanity checks are made in group communications as well. The channels are meant for official communications from senior managers or department heads to their respective teams. These are mostly one-way communication of formal announcements, and the admins can control the response type from team members. Like default groups, the members of channels are automatically managed by OnTheJob based on employees' data. Right now, OnTheJob app has complete text communication features. We are building comprehensive audio and video features that will include one-to-one audio calling, online meetings, and audio-video conferencing facilities. Next, we will look at OnTheJob's rewards and recognition module. OnTheJob app has comprehensive R&R functionality to support all possible kinds of policies of any organization. It has an inbuilt peer-to-peer, manager-to-team member appreciation functionality. Organizations can define their own badges with appropriate branding, and OnTheJob will implement them. OnTheJob app also supports formal R&R processes like monthly or quarterly or annual awards at various levels that need detailed nominations, evaluations, and selection process management. The admin users can create a new reward, set the frequency, define the target audience and nomination process along with award benefits. Once a specific reward is launched, the whole process can be administered on OnTheJob app easily. OnTheJob app supports 3 kinds of award benefits. One is a cash prize, which will be paid out in the payroll to the awardee. Second one is digital reward points, which the employee accumulates and he or she can encash the points on selected online reward redeem platforms. And the third award benefit is leaderboard points that accumulate, and a dynamic leaderboard is generated at various organization levels like company-wide leaderboard, team, department, location level, etc. For a regular employee, the rewards module opens up the organizational rewards feed, where I can see the list of people who have received recognition and appreciation. On the top, I have an option to send out a peer-to-peer appreciation. I can select an appropriate badge and type in a message and send it to another employee. It shows up on the organization feed for everyone to see as well. I can add emojis and additional comments to any of the existing awards that are showing up on the feed. All these features are built in to encourage collaborative and community-based framework to appreciate good work that happens every day in the workplace. With this, we come to the end of this demo session in which we covered the announcements, communications, and collaborations and rewards and recognition modules. Thank you for your time and attention. If you have any questions, the team is available for discussion. See you all in the next demo session. Thank you.